Hi kids, let's draw a cute purse for you. Just draw a painting. Do you like painting and coloring, children? Just draw a little bend type oval shape, then a standing line to it, then a slipping line to it, again a standing line to it. This is the base of a purse. Now let's draw a handle to it. Just draw two lines, then draw a lines standing to it, little bending to it, just to hold it. Then do two parallel lines to it. Again two parallel lines to it. If you liking our video, please do subscribe it. Then draw an heart shape which enhances your purse and it will look beautiful. Do you like painting, children, or coloring? With sketch or with any stationery items? Just look it. If you like our videos, please do subscribe. Bye bye.